Everything is okay. The villa's surroundings wasn't noisy and I like it. The pool and the house were tidy. We look forwarding to coming back here. Great. At first I wondered if I should book the villa or not, because I saw the positive feedback but one negative review. Eventually I booked and was very pleased with the service. The host and staff were very friendly, the host could even speak English. The villa is as beautiful as I envisioned when watching the photos before. Kitchenware was well equipped. It was lucky that we chose the home as expected. Villa Vachu Cung Nu Quan Gia Rado K Vi Tri Koch Bay Bien 5 P Ret Gon. Bay Bien Public Hoi Dong Nung Tu Ong Doi Sok, Song Vua, Bien Light Am Rado K. Kai Chu Nya Tu Van Rat Niet Ting, Kai Quan Gia Cung Vai. Check-in DC Tal Yu Kien Vao Som, Village Wak Chom Sok Tot Nen Sok Se Gon Gang. That Dung Tu Ong Doi Day Du. Diem Tru La Ko Tu Fon Mei Lin Yu, Hoi Ong. Chok Kok Thu Lien Tu Sin and Chua Kip Kiem Tre Shu Li. Fantastic. The host is really nice. During discuss the detail about accommodation, she was really helpful and response very fast. She helped us prepare the barbecue food and grill and cook whole meal. We all had a really good time. The room is really comfortable and large space. We have 16 people and enough to sleep. The shower water is not hot enough, it's the only thing need to improve. Thanks. Exceptional value. First off, it's about 15 minutes from the center. However, if you want to stay home and cook, it's such a great value. The home is clean and modern, secure and private. It's extremely spacious, luxurious, and very comfortable. The owner has great English and is accommodating to anything you want. Would love to stay again.